Hi, Karen. Okay, today let's practice the sounds that some letters make. Okay, I'm going to turn this. We're going to look at the letter, and then I want you to make the sound that that letter says. So instead of just saying what the letter is, you're going to make the sound. Let's practice the first one together. Okay, you see that letter? You know that is the letter F. What sound does the letter F make? Did you make the F sound? That's what the letter F says. Let's try another letter. Okay, you know that is the letter Z. What sound does the letter Z make? Z. Did you make the Z sound? Okay, let's look at the next one. Oh, the letter S. I think you know what letter that, or the sound that letter makes. Can you make the S sound? All right. Oh, you know this letter. That's the K. What sound does a K make? K, K, like Kieran. All right. Letter R. What sound does an R make? Did you make the sound? Okay. How about E? What sound does an E make? We're going to make the short sound of the E. It's a vowel. So it says eh, like egg. Okay? Letter X. What sound does X make? X, X, X. Okay. How about letter M? What sound does M make? Did you make the sound? Like mailbox. Okay, last one for today. Letter J. What does J say? J says J, J, J. Okay, so we did letter J. It says J. Letter M says Letter X says X. Letter E says eh. Letter R says Letter K says k. Letter S says S. Letter Z says Z. And letter F says F, like fish. All right. We will practice more letter sounds next week. You can watch the video again and practice your letter sounds as many times as you want, Karen. All right. Bye-bye.